Wanna know how to make a fire without a lighter? Well, come on, I'll show you. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a fire using a Bowdrill. See, a Bowdrill is an upgraded version of a hand drill. See, you got the bow, you got the string, we have the hardboard, the spindle, we have a bearing block or a handpiece or a socket, whatever you want to call it. Then you put this one on the top. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to make a hole in this hardboard. Now we're going to get the saw. We are going to cut a little V shape. See, you got the V shape, it goes to the center. This is the hole. So what you also need is something to catch your ember. You're gonna start slow. See? Just like this. You're gonna keep continuing. Don't get too much pressure. Pick up the speed. Okay, see, we got our little ember right here. I'm gonna put it here in this. And then, now, time to blow. And that is how you make a fire with a Bowdrill. Alright, nice. Thanks for watching.